Real Property Management is your one-stop property management solution. Established over 23 years ago, Real Property Management brings you quick, simple solutions to your property management needs. Whether you have one home for rent or numerous investment properties, we can meet your individual needs. You may ask yourself the following: should you manage your own property yourself? Do you have the time to manage your properties? Do you understand all the ongoing tasks associated with managing a rental property? Is it cost-effective for you to do this? Can you afford the extra time for the learning curves, working on marketing, keeping tenants, and so forth? Are you comfortable being on call 24/7 to respond to maintenance problems, collecting rent, or conducting your own property inspections? Are you comfortable or familiar with the legal side of property management? Do you understand all property codes and housing regulations involved with your property? Unlike other local property management companies which have limited resources, Real Property Management has taken their 20-plus years of proven research-based and customer-based experience to an entirely new level of service by completely re-engineering industry processes, consistently meeting customer needs-based expectations and establishing higher industry standards. Real Property Management is the only well-established property management company today with a nationwide presence. Real Property Management solves all your problems as a landlord or property owner. As your one-stop property management solutions provider, here are just a few of the many services we offer to you. We aggressively market and advertise locally and nationally with our proprietary online campaigns and innovative search engine strategies. With our continuously updated advertisement databases, we receive numerous responses and fill vacancies daily with pre-screened and qualified tenants. In order to increase your cash flow, create financial stability, and secure your peace of mind, we take care of all your property showing and rent collection needs professionally and promptly, so you never have to leave home yourself. We also coordinate all maintenance for you, taking care of all your property interior and exterior needs with our extensive network of contractors and in-house maintenance technicians, offering you discounted pricing and service. We also provide periodic property inspections to ensure tenants are complying with the lease and not damaging your investment properties. Unlike most of the industry's current client support services, we provide single, comprehensive accounting services, along with full access to our 24-hour dynamic reporting systems to track and view all of your monthly and annual statements. Here at Real Property Management, we are exceeding our property owners' expectations every single day and look forward to exceeding yours as well. With our 20-plus years of successful experience in managing residential properties, we invite you to put your trust in us as we put our team to work for you every single day. For more information about Real Property Management, please contact your local office for a free consultation.